Hi everyone, this is Abhimanyu Gautam, and in this video we are going to discuss about some key points which is related to CloudOps and DevOps. And as you know, guys, these times there is so many uh, queries and so many people are looking forward to get to know what is CloudOps and what is DevOps and how they can prepare for this achievement or this career growth, how they can proceed further, and how what are the parameters they have to complete, or what are the prerequisite which may required to compete for this job and prepare themselves for this job. So in this scenario, sorry, so I'm just gonna highlight some key points, and if you need some detailed observation on that, and if you need something that makes sense for you, and if there is something which you need to discuss with me, or you need some help, or if you guys want some another video with more details, then you can comment on the video and hit the like button, or you can connect with me on the Instagram. So I think we should start now. And see, there is two terms which is currently highlighting. The one is DevOps and the second is CloudOps. So in the DevOps, the key point is that related to the path and the prerequisite and the parameters is something that it's around the developer team. It's around the developer person who is developing the code, and the person who knows how the development is happening on the um, any application, and how these teams are working, and what are the environments they are creating, and what are the mechanism they are using. So uh, in some of terms, DevOps is called developer operation, something like that, DevOps operation. So in that, the major objective by using this term, we have to handle few task operation, any resource creation, any resource management, in terms of any infra, in terms of any developer thing. So any developer platform thing. So all these things are managed with the code. So major focus on the code, and the results where multiple language were used, kind of Python and Sybil, and any the developer language that could be Java and .NET, or any. I mean, I'm not a DevOps guy, so that's why I'm just giving an heads off on that. In the similar way, the cloud ops is something that which is majorly part of infrastructure from the cloud side. There could be a automation which you may can do that to create and to provision your infrastructure, to manage your infrastructure. And another thing that can save your resources, I mean manpower, and you can save some cost, and you can do some automation to create new resources, to delete new resources, and manage current infrastructure. And if there is some ad hoc request, so that can be managed within timeline and all these things. But the major factor of it, it is not something related to the developer side, or it is not something related to the developing, right? So it is something which is highlighting the core profile of infrastructure engineer who is taking care of infra side, not the application side. So these are few common scenarios, or differences between the cloud ops and DevOps. If you require some more details and some more insight about it, so you can comment on the video, and I will try to prepare some new key points, and we can learn more things about it, and we can start some career path where we we can see what kind of growth we are heading and what would be best for us. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.